This is Inside Indiana Business Radio for the afternoon of Thursday, June 19th, 2025. I'm Alex Brown. The Northwest Indiana Regional Development Authority has unveiled the 2025 update to its comprehensive strategic plan. CEO Sherry Ziller says among the plan's goals is to establish a land development entity that will be tasked with acquiring and remediating brownfield sites for future development.
Northwest Indiana has a legacy of heavy industry. It creates barriers to development. The land development entities, we're going to work with agencies and municipalities to identify the properties, prioritize them, and then begin to start procuring grant funding for cleanup.
The RDA also plans to pursue a National Scenic Byway designation for portions of US 12 in Lake, Porter, and LaPorte counties. A Southern Indiana candy store that dates back more than 130 years has been voted the best candy store in America by the readers of USA Today. Jeffersonville-based Schimpf's Confectionery earned the top spot in the publication's 10 Best Reader's Choice list of candy stores in the U.S. The high-end Hotel Carmichael in Carmel will undergo an expansion to add 60 rooms, a ballroom, and an executive boardroom. Carmel-based development firm Pedcor plans to spend $10 to $15 million to expand the hotel across 4 floors on the north end of the new Wren building, which is attached to Hotel Carmichael. From the number one source for Indiana business news, this is Inside Indiana Business Radio.
To succeed, you need to stay informed. You need to be engaged. And let's face it, you need to set yourself apart from the rest by connecting with a company that brings you the best. Because in today's environment, business is an ever-moving target, and we'll help you chase it. IBJ Media. The best of business is in us. Get started at ibjmedia.com/youngprofessional.
The University of Notre Dame Law School will launch its 8th specialized legal clinic this fall, widening its focus to serve a population of clients. IIB's Mark Mazurek has more.
The new Veterans Law Clinic will open during the 2025-26 school year, its mission reflecting the university's robust military history and its Catholic mission, according to clinic leadership. Those involved with the clinic are hopeful it will serve both law students and veterans. Caleb Stone, the clinic's director, told our partners at the Indiana Lawyer that the idea of having an organization that serves people in need while educating a different type of lawyer is something that's resonated with the Notre Dame Law School crowd. Around 110,000 veterans live in the greater Michiana area, which includes St. Joseph County, where Notre Dame is situated, and counties across northwest Indiana and southwestern Michigan. Stone said the clinic will serve the region and the state of Indiana, but eventually school leaders want to expand the clinic's services nationwide. The clinic will help veterans apply for disability compensation from the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, which requires proving the severity of veterans' medical condition to receive compensation. The Veterans Law Clinic will operate similarly to the law school's other legal clinics like the Exoneration Justice Clinic and the Religious Liberty Clinic. Students will spend a portion of their time in the classroom and the rest on pro bono work, all under Stone's guidance. I'm Mark Mazurek for Inside Indiana Business Radio.
Manchester University and Ivy Tech Community College are set to sign an agreement later this month that will allow associate's degree graduates from the community college to transfer all of their credits and enroll in Manchester as juniors. Ivy Tech students who earn an associate's degree of arts, science, general studies, or fine arts will be considered to have fulfilled Manchester's general education core requirements, allowing up to 60 credits to be transferred. Ivy Tech students who earn their associate's degree with a minimum 2.5 cumulative GPA and meet other conditions are guaranteed admission into Manchester. Fishers-based Recovery Force Health is cutting the cord on a medical staple and helping hospital patients across the country. The company has created a portable, cordless movement and compression device which squeezes the leg once a minute to move blood back to the heart to prevent blood clots. The MAC system is being rolled out at all 6 Community Health Network hospitals statewide, according to CEO Jason Bobet.
It's a huge deal because getting one hospital is not saying it's easy, but getting a system, an IDN, which is what healthcare is made of. Tons of hospitals gathered into one decision making. This has been a big catalyst for us as we continue to push this out and get it to the rest of the country.
Last week, that push stretched from Indiana to the Lone Star State. Bobet says the company just landed a multi-million-dollar deal with the Michael E. DeBakey VA Medical Center in Houston, Texas. Lawrence Mayor Deb Whitfield is this week's guest on the Business and Beyond podcast with Gary Dick, presented by PNC, a weekly conversation with high-profile Hoosiers in business, sports, and entertainment, and beyond. Available now from your favorite podcast provider. I'm Alex Brown for Inside Indiana Business Radio on Demand.